So in this tutorial we are going to cover some methods of date object. The first, you have to declare the date object. So here I declare a variable called date and assign it to date object. By this you can have access to the methods and properties that date can handle. The first one here that I have for you is get date. Get date is take the current mount. So here I say document dot write. It's going to write something to the document, and here I put the date. After the date, I said the get date, and as I told, it's going to take the current uh, date. So here you see that it will show me one, which is the current date today. Today it is the day 1. So the other one is get hour, which is take the hours, the current hours of this. As you see, it's 1 p.m. here, and this is going to also return me 1. So here you see that it's return me 13 because it's in format of 24. The other method here is get minute. Get minute, and this is going to take the current minute. So if I save it, and you see that it's take the current minute of the local current minute, which is 2 minutes here. The other one is seconds, get seconds, and this is going to take the seconds of the current time. And this is the current second, and if I refresh it, you will see that it's always changing cause and the minutes are changing. So we have one more, which is get mount, and this is going to take the mount, the current mount. But if I refresh it, you will see that here we have 6, even though it's the current mount now is 7. This is because it's going to count from 0 to 11. But if you wanted to get the current time, the real time, you can concatenate it with 1, and now you have access to the current time. You can take the real current time. So if I save it here, you see that I have 7. The other method is a set time, set date. This is going to set the current date for us, the current date, the current day. And here I can pass, let me delete this one. Here I can pass a date, like I want to pass 15. And if I save it, now you will see here we have this one. This is going to add from June 9070, I guess so, that date. But if you want to see the current date, so here I can cut it and paste it here, and now here I can set the date, and you will see that is going to show me the current the date with the date of 15. So if I save it, now here you see that the day is July 15. So the the other method is set full year. Set full year is going to set the full year for you. So here I came and say set full year, and this is going to set the full year for you. So now here I can come and pass the 2000 and save it. Now you see here that it is 2000, and now you are able to set the current the year that you need to represent. So we have one more method. So let me delete this. Here come and say date dot to local string, and this is going to represent the time in a formatted way, and it's declared to read. As you see, it's the date, and this is the current time, and if I keep on saving, you see that it's going to change every time I save it. So we have one more layer than this one, which is to local time string, and this is going to only represent or return the current time in a formatted way. Here we go. It's so easy, and as you see, it's so formatted, and most of the time you need this. So the other one is to JSON, which is really important, and to JSON is change the date to the JSON format to can send between APIs. So now if I save it, it's going to uh, return a date like this, which is sendable to the different APIs, and you can send these types of data. You can't send normal date using uh, JSON. So now this was from the 10 last methods that we cover. Here I have some surprise for you. We will create something uh, really normal, but it will look cool for the beginners. Actually, this was the first thing that I made by myself. So here I came and say, and I declare an input type, and I give it an ID of timer. Now that I give it the ID of timer, here I can say and declare the date object. Now I come and set an interval. Set interval. Set interval is going to repeat a word over and over again according to a specific time. So here I can pass 1000, which 1000 is a millisecond. 1000 milliseconds is equal to 1 second. So now here I can pass actually I have to access the timer, so I say timer document dot get element by ID, and in its ID I'm going to pass the timer. Now in the value of the timer we are going to pass the date dot to local string, to local time string. And now if I save it, here you see that we have a simple timer. Oh, come on. Actually we have to put this inside the interval. So here I came and pass it here. Now save it. There we go. This is counting. So this was from the most important 15 most important JavaScript methods. Hope you guys enjoy, and take care of yourself. Don't forget to try hard. Life is going to be hard and you get harder. Bye.